We are pleased to show you the 2016 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.